I hear something. I hear water.
There it is. Cool.
Ooh, cool.
Okay,
the first water. Tucker, isn't that exciting?
Well, that's not as much as I thought it would be. Good.
That's pretty good.
It's perfect.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Ben. Listen to that. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
It sounds
there.
beautiful.
No overspraying. Beautiful. Okay.
First water under the bridge.
It's all water under the bridge now, baby.
Exactly.
All right.
It worked, Martine. It worked, Pedro.
This is the other part. Now, how is it sucking out?
First water.
It's not starving, so that's good. Okay, go over this side here now.
Okay. Oh, the first waterfall.
Pretty clear. Okay, I haven't sucked so much out, so this is like a perfectly balanced pump. I'm stoked.
Okay, we've got to get the first water over the edge here.
There it is.
Oh my gosh.
Loud enough?
Yeah. Wow, it's rushing. Oh, that's awesome. Don't you think, Andrew? That is so cool. Woo! Cool.
So I have enough. Okay, so now my water, turn the water on.
I like that over there, Ben. The woodpecker thing. Oh, this is so beautiful.
Wow.
Fun. Very cool.
Just a little drip right there, but that's it.